सुश्रुत संहिता सूत्रस्थानम अध्याय 45 द्रव्य विद्य अध्याय श्लोक 137 स्वादुपाकम गुरुहिमं पिच्छिलं रक्तपित्तजित श्वित्रमेह कृमिघ्नं च विद्यात् छात्र गुणोत्तरम। तो यहाँ पे जो है छात्र मधु का वर्णन किया गया है, जो विपाक में मधुर, पचने में भारी, शीतल तथा पिच्छिल होता है एवं रक्तपित्त, श्वेतकुष्ठ, प्रमेह, कृमि इनको नष्ट करता है एवं अन्य की अपेक्षा गुणों में श्रेष्ठ माना गया। अब इसका वर्ड बाय वर्ड एनालिसिस करेंगे। स्वादुपाकम, स्वीट, मधुर इन विपाक, पोस्ट, it is a post digestive effect. Guru, heavy to digest. Himam, cold in potency, that is Sheeta Virya. Picchilam, slimy or sticky in nature. Rakta Pitta Jit, conquer, cure bleeding disorder. Rakta Pitta. Shvitra, that is leukoderma or vitiligo. Meha, it may be urinary disorder of diabetes. Prameha. Crimigna, destroy, worm, parasite, anti-helminthic. And with that, one should know, understand Chhatram Madhu, Gunottaram, superior in qualities. Now, while Chhatra can be mushroom in other contexts like Shakvarga, in this specific context of Sushruta Samhita, Sutrasthana, chapter 45, Dravya Dravya Vidhi Adhyaya, it refers to one of the 8 type of Madhu. So, Acharya Sushruta classify honey into 8 types based on bee species: Pottika, Brahmara, Kshaudra, Makshika, Chhatra, Argya, Adalak, and Dalak. These specific words describe the properties of Chhatra variety. Ayurvedic analysis of Chhatra Madhu, Rasa, Vipak, Swadupakam. Unlike most honey, which are generally katu, pungent in Vipaka, post-digestive effect, Chhatra Madhu is madhur, sweet in Vipaka. This is a distinctive feature. Guna. Guru. Heavy to digest. Most honey are lagu or light. Picchila. Slimy sticky. Most honey are ruksha dry, but this one is slimy. Imam. Cold in potency. Sheetvarya. Rogagnata. Therapeutic indication. Rakta Pitta-jit, excellent for bleeding disorder due to its Sheeta Virya and Madhur Vipak. Shvitrameha crimigna. It specifically targets leukoderma, Shvitra, diabetes, prameha, and worm infestation, krimi. Chhatra Madhu is an exception to a general rule of honey. General Madhu is a ruksha dry, kashaya astringent, grahi, katu, vipak. Chhatra Madhu, Picchila slimy, Madhur sweet, Guru heavy. This makes the Chhatra Madhu surprisingly nourishing due to Guru Madhur, yet curative for cough disorder like Meha and Krimi due to its specific prabhav, that is special potency. Now I am discussing about availability of this honey. Availability of genuine Chhatra Madhu is a strict classical sense. Honey from the Chhatra bee species is rare and often misunderstood in the modern market. Here is a breakdown of its current status and where you might find it. Number one is biological and geographical identification. The Chhatra bee classical text describe the bee as a yellow, tawny, capilla, and the hive as a umbrella shape, that is Chhatraka. Modern correlation. This description strongly correlate with Apis dorsata rock bee, or Apis laboriosa, Himalayan giant honey bees. These wild bee build single large suspended comb under tree branch or cliff overhang that look exactly like an umbrella chhatra habitat. Sushrut mentioned their habitat as the Himalayas and Malwa region around modern day Malwa, Madhya Pradesh forest. Commercial availability. You are likely to find it in a standard pharmacy under the label uh, Chhatra Madhu, unless it is a specific niche product. Most honey sold today is a makshik from Apis serena or Apis mellifera. However, you can source it if you look for wild forest honey, that is Himalayan or Central Indian. Honey harvested from Apis dorsata in the wild, often sold as a raw forest honey or tribal honey. A specific brand. A few Ayurvedic pharmacy like Basic Ayurveda list a product label Chhatra Madhu, though you should verify if it is a genuinely from the Chhatra bee or just a brand name from the herbal honey blend. How to substitute in practice? Since genuine Chhatra Madhu, which is heavy, slimy, and cold, is hard to certify, you can look for honey with similar qualities based on source. Number one is heavy or slimy quality, lotus honey or bamboo honey, often wild harvested, mimic the Guru Pichil qualities. Action for Rakta Pitta or Meha, where Chhatra is indicated, you can use regular old honey, Puran Madhu, and which become Grahi and Lekhan, though it lacks the specific Madhur Vipak of Chhatra Madhu. Now we identify a source. Uh, Here is a, breakdown for source where you can likely find Chhatra Madhu or its closest biological equivalent, Apis dorsata honey from the Himalayas, in a current Indian market. Number one is direct commercial match. Ayurved brand. Surprisingly, there is one Ayurvedic manufacturer that explicitly label their product as a Chhatra Madhu. Brand name is Brand Basic. Product name is Basic Ayurveda Pure Honey Chhatra Madhu. Claim they market it specially under the classical name. It is likely the source to match the Guru and Madhur profile, though you should verify the batch for the Slimy Pichil quality yourself. It is available on their official website 1mg and Amazon. Number two is the biological match, authentic source. If you are looking for a genuine wild honey from Apis dorsata, harvested from cliff, which matches the Chhatra description of umbrella shape hives on cliff, you should look for cliff honey or wild Himalayan honey. Himalayan cliff honey, it is from Nepal or Uttarakhand, uh, often called as mad honey due to uh, Grayanotoxin from rhododendrons or simply cliff honey. It is a guru and pichil. Here is a note for practitioner. This honey is extremely potent. In a small doses, less than one teaspoon, it acts as a sedative and painkiller, Vatagna. But in a larger doses, it acts as a hallucinogen. This align with Sushruta indication for Shvitra and creamy strong purification. Its source is the mad honey. It is imported from Nepal. There are a specific vendor importing the rock leaf honey. Hetha Organics. They sell Himalayan wild forest honey collected by tribals, which is often Apis dorsata. Next is Tribes India, Government of India. Why this is good? This is a cooperative marketing raw forest produce. They sell wild forest honey source from central India, that is Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and then Nilgiris. While not Himalayan, the wild honey from Apis Sata in deep forest of central India often retain the guru and Picchil quality required for medicinal use, unlike the processed Makshik Apari honey found in supermarket. Recommendation for clinical use. For Prameha or creamy medicinal, I would suggest trying to Tribes India Wild Honey or Hetha Organic. These are raw and unfiltered, retaining the enzyme and pollen that eat the cremigna that give it the cremigna property. For Rakta Pitta, cooling and nourishing, the basic Ayurveda Chhatra Madhu might be safer as a standard or less likely hot or reactive than the raw cliff honey.